Vader, I need your help. I need you to hook onto my fucking balls and pull real tight. Can you do that? Just wrap your toes right around my cock and balls and then drive away as fast as you can.
I'm not thinking. I don't know what I'm thinking.
Yo, what are you doing on my friends list, dog? I just got out of Meta Church, and I was looking to Christian mingle if you down. Alright.
I'm sorry.
Yo, wait, the male strippers are on? Oh my god, mommy! Who said that? Can I borrow? Like, where did you get that bat? Was it from Dick's? I'm trying to hit a home run on my nuts. I'm trying to hit it like a you know what I'm saying? Oh my god, wait a minute. I'll have what he's having.
I'm super leg. I'm super legging.
Sad day, going to the strip club and it starts lagging.
Yeah.
Couldn't be me. Couldn't be me.
Alright,
no more VR chat.
I am!
He's a full body thotty.
I am!
Are you? Come.
You can say that again!
This is he. He's a full body thotty.
Now move your legs.
I'm auctioning you off.
Move your legs.
Tanner, I'm auctioning you off. Move
Move your legs. Kick those legs around, buddy.
Look,
Kick
see?
those. Yeah, kick them around. All right, now put them over your head like a pretzel.
Yeah, listen. Hey. Calm down.
No, if I'm gonna buy a used fucking car, I want to see if it drives.
No. How much are you willing to pay?
Fuck your dad.
How much are you willing to pay? How much? Do it. I don't even know who he is. How much are you willing to pay?
I'll pay whatever the fuck you want me to pay if he can put his legs
don't
behind
hang
his
up the
head.
call.
If you can put legs
okay,
behind your
he
head,
doesn't.
you can name the
He
fucking
can't.
price. Oh, well, what the fuck am I doing here? Wasting my fucking time. Later, bitch. Oh my good Jesus, Miriam Joseph. Oh my god. I just got back from church. This shit's lit.
I was trying to buy my friend Tanner. He could. He just showed me.
Prove it right now. Prove it right now.
Do it again, Tanner. Do it again.
Both legs. Both legs missionary, motherfucker. Nope.
He said no.
Nope. These motherfuckers actually whistling! Oh my god! Never in a million years would I thought I'd be at a VR strip club. God, the people here smell like fucking bounce that ass and Fritos. God damn, Jummy. Let me get some B-roll of you dancing real quick, actually. Jummy, what are you doing?
What the?
Nothing to worry about it.
Hey, my brother's gonna love this.
Then drive away as fast as you can.
Chummy.
I might use that
Yes.
bag.
Oh my.
Do you want that?
Oh, I didn't mean, Jummy. Are we gonna have gay sex right now? Like right here, right now?
Me, baby.
Oh,
Bend over.
what? You're the one that has full body. You bend over.
Oh, what the fuck?
Bend over against that table right now.
Do some mime stuff.
I got you. Let me. Okay.
I got Monaco too.
Monaco this.
Yeah.
That's not my face.
Can you come in here and have a seat?
No. Chummy, a green Hellcat.
Kiss it.
Take
Almost
your
fit on
dream
the
car.
stick shift.
Alright, let's run this fucker over.
Pass. No. I can't do it.
Good evening, everyone.
Meet up in VR chat.
That dude muted me. I didn't even fucking say anything to him. All I said was, "That's good." What the fuck? That dude's a pussy.
That's what you get for being such a little bitch, you piece of shit.
Your name is Brad. I don't want to hear it.
Yeah? What's up, Jonkstrap? What do you mean
What's
you
up,
don't want to hear
Brad Quaxon? What the fuck is that shit? No, Brad Quaxon
Okay,
sounds
get
like
your
a
friend out of
fucking
here. I know you
loser.
need to
No,
double
you
team
probably
me
have a
because that's
fucking
double the
comb
charisma that you
over.
ever have in your
Nah,
entire
fuck
life,
that.
buddy.
No, you have
Yeah,
a
sit
Smash
there,
Bros
moving your hands
haircut.
like
Shut the
this.
fuck
You think this
up.
makes you more
You have a
socially
Smash
acceptable
Bros
being like
haircut,
this?
dog.
Why would you ever say that?
Yo, get sturdy real quick. Get sturdy real quick. I don't have full body. Oh! 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 Oh my god!
Okay.
Oh my god. No, no shot. He's crip walking right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at him. He's still going. He's still going. Yup. You're not a pig.
The walk.
I took the walk to Poland. I took the walk to Poland. I ain't saying that.
My cellmate has diabetes. Get me out of here.
What?
I don't got your insulin bag now. Get out.
Jummy, my blood sugar's low. I need help. I took the walk.
Can I bag you?
What?
Can you bag me? I'm not.
Oh, yo, he's spitting gay.
Yeah.
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 Kill me.
Guys, come
from
here.
that range with the knife.
Come here, guys.
Junk, shoot this little cracker.
Can I bag you?
Weird.
Get me out of here.
Can he bag you?
Chainsaw Man can bag me.
Yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up.
Wait, what?
Yo, you bagged the hoe, goddamn! Yo, get sturdy! Sturdy, yup! Sturdy! Yo, start twerking right now. Yo, throw it back real quick. Throw it back for a real one. Yup, 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 yup! Woo! Hey, yo, yo! Boom! Boom! Yo, I had a clip on that motherfucker. Hey, you better get Dooney Wop, dog.
I'm gonna kill you, Kraken!
Uh-oh. Freddy Fazbear! Oh my god! Don't you dare do that ever again, because first off, your mama, first off, your daddy, second off, your sister, third off, your grandma, your daddy, and your uncle, they're all bald, they have a shaved head, and they smell like cat pee. Can you do a saxophone solo, too?
I got you real quick. I hit a crazy one on basket case, but...
Yo.
Question.
I got a vibe to this shit. My mama makes me suck dick for money. I can't pay rent.
Respectfully?
No, disrespectfully, actually. Why is the bathroom dark?
Because of the Halloween.
Eating a burger with no honey mustard. 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 Say it. Eating a burger with no honey mustard. Say it.
Fucking a nigga from the back with no lube on. Fucking a nigga from the back with no lube on. Fucking a nigga from the back with no lube on.
Who the fuck is you, bro?
You hear that music?
Eating a burger with no honey mustard.
Do you hear
Eating
that
a burger
music?
with no honey mustard. Eating a burger with no honey mustard. Eating a burger with no honey mustard.
It's a
Bro, why do I have all these people on my friends list in here? Who the fuck are you?
What's going on, big fella?
What's Brad?
Who you calling big fella, dog? God
I
damn.
get on here and get chill.
I know your broke ass ain't typing right now, Jummy.
When is Sack Jummy gonna lay a snack on the camera?
This is Sack Jummy. Say hi to Sack Jummy. He's my friend. He's really cool.
Talk to unknown about candy.
Now say hi back, Jummy. Say hi back. Don't be impolite.
That's little to you. How do you like it?
Are you my fucking mom?
Yeah, but do you like it?
What the fuck did you say? Say that shit again.
I
say that shit again.
Hi, I ever fucking heard.
Your dad's about to be gay in a second when I'm going.
The thing is, all of my parents are already 6 feet under, so.
Awkward. Who find food? Who find food? I love this. Can you get sturdy, please? Alright, Poopy, alright, hang on. Back the fuck up. You're getting a little too close here. I'm asking our new friend here to crip walk.
Bro.
What's gonna pop
Too
up?
drunk. Amen. I'm not on shit right now, but if I was, I'd be kissing men right now. Oh, hey, Jummy, come over here.
51 seconds.
Have a good day.
Man.
Yo, he's about to spit game. What's up? Like you trying to like?
Nah, it's only me. Come here, mommy. Come on.
You trying to duel for the maiden? Oh no! Oh no!
I'm so caught up in it.
I really like blowing on your daddy's fucking dick while we're young, duck, young. I want you fly, free bird, yeah.